In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 420% returns on your Dogecoin in 2021. As you can see here, I'm already on the page that you want to go to. The easiest way for you to get there is to click the link in the description, which will be an affiliate link, but it will get you $20 worth of DFI when you sign up and make a deposit of $50 or more. So if you deposit $50 of Dogecoin, you get $20 of DFI as well, plus 420% returns on your Dogecoin if you put them into the liquidity mining. Once you've signed up for an account by clicking sign up in the top right, go through the sign up steps, get yourself a first name, email, password, then agree. Once you're in, you click liquidity mining in the top left, as you can see here, and you have to deposit your Dogecoin and then go to liquidity mining. As you can see, there's Doge and DFI to liquidity mine, and as you can see, the APY is 420% on your Dogecoin, which are insane returns. As you can see, Bitcoin is only 164, Ethereum 138, and USD Tether is only 188%. So this is a great chance to multiply your Dogecoin and let the Dogecoin work for you, not only through its growth in value due to its hype, but also making you 420% per year without you having to do anything and pretty much risk-free. If you want to join, click the first link in the description. This is how to make 420% returns on Dogecoin in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.